Welcome to another exciting episode of Trading with QuantPower. Today, we are going to dive into the exciting world of backtesting and see how we can use this powerful tool to enhance our trading strategy. Today, we are going to do a simple backtesting strategy called the short straddle. But first, let's log into our QuantPower account and head over to the backtesting section. Let's select Bank Nifty as our index and 9th February as the expiry date, with date from and date to also set to 9th February as we want to test intraday results. Here, we will see the option to select a strategy. For this demonstration, we will choose the short straddle. This strategy works best on expiry days. Now, before we enter our short straddle, let's keep a few things in mind. This strategy works best when you have a prediction that the market will be sideways. However, it's not ideal to enter a short straddle on days where premiums are very low or when the market is at a crucial level. It's also important to have a psychological stop loss in mind. If the price breaches your desired loss for the day, it's best to exit the trade. We will adjust our trades whenever prices breach our levels and keep an eye on our stop loss of 150 points, which is 3750 rupees. Now, let's take a look at our trade in a 15-minute time frame. At 11 a.m., we are already seeing a profit of 2,600 rupees without any adjustments. By 2:30 p.m., our profit has increased to 5,600 rupees. And by 3:30 p.m., our final profit is 7,155 rupees. Our initial stop loss was only 3,750 rupees, and we have earned more than that. In conclusion, backtesting is a valuable tool for traders as it provides insight into the potential success of a strategy before committing real money. And with QuantPower, testing out a simple strategy like the short straddle has never been easier. Thanks for joining us for another episode of Trading with QuantPower. Until next time, happy trading.